Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a brake light on a Kia Sportage. First, let's gather our tools and prepare for the task. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is set. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, taking only a few minutes to complete. Now that you're prepared, let's access the brake light bulb. Begin by opening your vehicle's tailgate. You will see two visible screws on the inner edge of the tail light assembly. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these two screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle body, to release it from its clips. This step requires a steady hand. With the tail light assembly detached, it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Identify the brake light bulb socket. It's typically the largest one. Twist the socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Now, take your new bulb and firmly push it straight into the socket until it is fully seated. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Before fully reassembling, let's test your new brake light. If you disconnected the wiring harness, reconnect it now. Have a helper press the brake pedal while you observe the new light to ensure it illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and gently push it back into place until it clicks. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. You've successfully replaced your brake light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.